Imagine a world without borders, no lines carved by political hands, no checkpoints or passports. The concept of nations as we know it vanishes overnight, leaving behind a unified Earth. As the sun rises over this newly unchained globe, people step into a future where movement is unrestricted and cultures blend seamlessly. Cities previously defined by national identity become melting pots of diversity. Streets echo with the medley of languages, cuisines, and customs as people freely exchange ideas and traditions. Global collaboration surges. Scientists from different continents work side by side on groundbreaking research, unhindered by bureaucratic red tape. The economy, too, transforms as businesses and trade flourish in an unprecedented free market. Yet, with this newfound unity, challenges arise. Previously isolated regions now grapple with waves of migration. Resources, once managed by national governments, are strained by the sudden influx of people. Tensions brew as communities struggle to find balance between preserving heritage and adapting to change. Amidst this vibrant chaos, a remarkable shift occurs. People start identifying less with arbitrary borders and more with shared humanity. The concept of home evolves from a location on a map to a sense of belonging wherever kindness is found. But then, just as harmony seems within reach, a new divide emerges, not of land or language, but of ideology. Those who embrace the world without borders clash with those longing for the simplicity of the old world. Ironically, in a world without lines, the most significant division becomes one of perspective.